अभी मूड नहीं है. A very famous dialogue from a very famous Hindi movie. Which one I leave on you to look and search? Well, this is what human beings are. Our sentiments and emotions define us, and our mood is manifestation of our energy. Perhaps when we are under our emotions and sentiments for a very brief period, that is for short time, and after completion of our task or work, we are out of it and its influence. Psychologically, it is called affect. But when these psychological emotions and sentiments become predominant part of us, it becomes our manifestation as in our mood. And if this mood is negative, as in its energy impacting our psyche and behavior, that we are unable to continue with our task or works as in functionality to optimum, unable to establish and move forward through our social responsibilities and relationship, it becomes part of mood disorder as in depression. Perhaps the World Health Organization suggested that in the year 2001 there were about 121 million people were suffering from depression. The revised report suggests that the number has escalated to a high volume, that is 280 million people now are infected with depression. And worrisome part is the major chunk of the population, that is about 5%, is young adult. So question arises, what impact us our mood and why we feel depressed? Well, the classical symptoms of depression are that a person feel exhausted as in energy, interest and enthusiasm, so much so that they are unable to take forward their routine and task, which prevail them with negative sentiments and emotions as in helplessness, hopelessness and worthlessness. These negative sentiments further reinforce negative emotions that surface as in depression. Psychologically, it appears as in hallucination, delusion of poverty or of guilt, and in negative emotions like aggression, anger and anxiety. Physical symptoms are like persistent feeling of pain and body ache and slowdown in activity. Biological symptoms are like as in insomnia, that is sleep disorder, uh, disorder of sexual activity and feeling low on your sexual activities and energy, and eating disorder. Perhaps these all disorders cumulatively impact your psychological, social, physiological and emotional well-being, and also you are unable to perform your roles and responsibilities, and it impact your financial well-being also. So next time if you feel like abhi mood nahi hai and to procrastinate the activity or the task in your hand, ask yourself how often do you feel like this, and if this feeling of sad mood is predominant for more than 2 months, then it is time for you to refer a counseling psychologist.